I, on behalf of my organization, require clarity on Principle 8 under the Essentials Indicator category. So that is, businesses should promote inclusive growth and equitable development. Specifically, to understand the definition for trading house and dealers and geographic database for job creation in smaller towns.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, now this is a very specific question which would ideally require a detailed answer. But at present, what we will do is we would say that you could refer to the FAQs which are there in the NSE circular, which give general principles which govern this kind of an issue. As far as data regarding specific sectors and job creation is concerned, I would say that for an enterprise, the job creation data is known to the enterprise. The question really arises about the indirect jobs which an enterprise creates. And how do you measure those indirect jobs? So, while giving the numbers, what can possibly be done is there would be certain assumptions which would have to be made while identifying the number of indirect jobs. And those assumptions would have to be very clearly spelled out so that this particular number which you give of indirect jobs can be relied upon. Ajay, would you like to add?
Yeah, I think in addition to that, when we talk about inclusiveness of your workforce, it essentially talks about making sure that you what I call as the concept of stakeholder expansion that has to happen. So if you look up this concept of stakeholder expansion, you understand this particular topic a little bit better.
Yeah. What you can also possibly do is that RBI comes out with some definitions and with some kind of databases. Those databases to define the geography can also be used.